Good morning, students. Today we study about the life cycle of Funaria plant. It is also a bryophyte and it is a common moss plant. Generally grows in rainy season on moist soil, damp walls, shady banks, on roof of buildings, and also on the tree trunk. In rainy season, it grows on moist soil, damp walls, shady banks, on roofs, and also on tree trunk, forming green velvety patches, velvet like green patches in rainy season. This is about the occurrence. Then external morphology means the Funaria life cycle consists of two phases, gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. The gametophytic phase, it is a dominant phase, while the sporophytic phase, it is parasitic on the gametophyte. And the plant body itself, it is just 2 to 3 centimeter in height and differentiated into stem-like appendages, leaf-like appendages, and two roots are upset. Instead of roots, it is fixed to the substratum by means of rhizoids. In the plant body consists of rhizoids, stem-like structures, and leaf-like appendages. And also the plant, it is branched. Branching generally occurs, it is extra axillary in position. The rhizoids, they are delicate, thin, multicellular and branch structure. They fix the plant to the substratum and also absorb the minerals and water from the substratum. The stem is branch structure, branching is extra axillary, and it grows like a main stem in upward direction. Leaves are simple, ovate, with entire margin and acute apex. They are closely packed at the apices of the stem-like structure, forming a rosette-like structure. It is the simple structure like a angiospermic plant. Means the plant body consists of stem-like structure, leaves, not true roots, but instead of root, rhizoids are present, and aerial stem, it is branched, and branching is extra axillary. Leaves are sessile, simple, ovate, with entire margin and acute apex. They are closely packed at the apices of branches or stem, forming rosette-like structure. Then the internal morphology. Internally, the stem shows circular structure having a single layered epidermis. The cells of the epidermis contain chloroplast in them. Below the epidermis, cortex is present. It is again differentiated into outer cortex and inner cortex. Outer cortex consists of thick walled 2 to 3 layers of parenchymatous cells, while the inner cortex consists of thin walled parenchymatous cells. And in central region, there are some thick walled cells having without protoplast in them, means they are hollow. Hollow cells are present. They are in central part. They are called central strand, which act as a conducting tissue. Means they absorb water and mineral from the substratum to the aerial part of the gametophyte. This is about the internal structure of stem. Leaf-like appendages, it is in TS shows a single layered or except the midrib region. In midrib region it is multicellular cell having central strand, and lamina of the leaf-like appendages it is single cell thick, and each cell of the lamina contains chloroplast in them. That's why it performs the function of photosynthesis. And exchange of gases takes place directly through the cell. And stomata are totally absent. This is about the internal structure of stem as well as TS of leaf-like structure in Funaria. Next period we see about the reproduction.